believe it or not, this little Dumaflechi up here, or whatever you call it, I don't know, chain guide, I don't know. Anyway, it wasn't stuck too bad, so you just pull this thing off here. There's no bolts or nuts or anything that holds it on. It's got a little guide, I suppose, or a little something to roll. Maybe I can reuse it. Doesn't look wore out, looks brand new. Yep, looks brand new. No. Yep. Yeah, so maybe we can reuse it. Maybe it's just a chain. The chain's in pretty bad shape. It's missing a couple of teeth. I guess that's what it was sitting in the water. It just doesn't flex very well, but I think I got another chain off one of my chainsaws, an old one that wore out, that I swore I was going to learn how to resharpen, but I never did. So we'll throw that over there. Alright. This contraption here, zip ties, which is really a death trap, because that's what you hold on to, and if you're really getting on it and the thing wire ties break or zip ties break, you're in a world of hurt. See if I can find some pliers. Cut them. Looking. Ah, look at these. These will work. I think they're about dry rotted, so these aren't cutter pliers, but these are old cheap pliers that you buy with them electrical kits. Did I get it? No, I tightened it up. Wow. I got it. Oh, I got another one on it. You very smart person. You put two on. You crazy like fox. Alright, I'm gonna have to have two hands to get this rig off of here. Alright, back in a second. Wow, look, the screw reappeared. Okay, there it is. Screwdriver. Oh, it's out. Yay. Look, it takes this whole plate off. Wow, it exposes the whole motor. Oh, some more of those specially made parts. What? Oh, they're gone. Looks like a vine of some sort. Okay. Oh, the clutch, it looks good. It's not rusted or anything, so the muffler's rusted, but there's a carburetor out on this thing. Let's see the air vent. Alright, let me take the bar off this thing. What is this right here? The old stick. It's a very essential part that is made only in certain countries by certain trees. Wow, it's gone. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? A magic. Anyway. Alright, so I've got that loose. Man, that's greasy. I guess you gotta take this whole faceplate off. Let me see. What do I do? Oh! Ta-da! There it is. Let's see. Alright. Hang on one second. It's miraculously... I can't pronounce that word right now. My sinus is messed up. Look! What? It just... The cordless drill just came to life and broke it loose. I didn't take a ratchet and unbreak it or unbreak it. I didn't take a ratchet and break it or anything. Wow. Okay, let me pull the bar out. Alright, let's see what it does. Alright. Oh, goodness gracious. Ah, they're very tight. Oh, grasshopper, you not very good with cordless drill. Oh. Oh, grasshopper, you no good. Okay, we switch old school. Out riding around, seeing a nice little trash pile. This little Poland chainsaw somebody put out by the road. It's 2300 2.3 CI. Looks like the bar's been in the water. I don't know. It still pulls over. I don't know. Like the handle's been broke. Somebody zip tied it or something. Throttle cables. It works, but it's a little stiff. But I'm gonna tear into it and see what I can do with it. Or it don't. Chain don't move. But anyway, it's a good little project. See if I can get it running. It's a fairly cheap little chainsaw, but hey, one man's trash is another man's treasure. It's got a 16-inch bar on it. So I'm going to take her in the shop and tear into it and see if I can't do something with it. So, let's do that.